My friends, managing money across countries can get complicated fast. Different currencies, international payments, and invoices can easily end up scattered across too many tools. That's where Airwallex comes in. Basically, the platform gives companies one workspace for global finance. It brings together accounts, payments, and FX. Then it adds transfers, cards, and spend management, with billing included in the same connected system. My name is Daniel, and today we're looking at how this tool helps companies manage global money movement from one dashboard. From collecting and holding funds to converting, sending, and spending, all from one dashboard. The goal here is simple: fewer disconnected tools, clearer money movement, and less manual finance work. Huge thanks to Airwallex for sponsoring this video. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Guys, Airwallex is an all-in-one payment and financial platform for businesses. Instead of opening accounts with multiple regional banks, teams can manage global finance in one place. Airwallex connects the main money movement and spending tools inside one platform. Mates, the main idea is convenience and control. From a single dashboard, you can manage global money movement across different currencies. The same workspace also supports company spending and connects with accounting tools like Xero, NetSuite, and QuickBooks. You get local account details to receive funds like a local business in 70+ countries, hold 20+ currencies in one multi-currency wallet, and move money globally with fast, low-cost transfers. So instead of thinking of Airwallex as just a payment tool, think of it as your workspace for managing global financial operations. Now guys, let's look at how Airwallex works in practice. The first important part is the account setup. The platform is made for registered businesses, not personal accounts, so the workflow is built around company finance rather than personal spending. That already tells us a lot about the product. It is not trying to be a simple everyday wallet. It is built for teams and companies that need more structure around how money comes in, moves around, and goes out. Once the account is active, you can receive funds like a local business in 70+ countries. Folks, that means your customers and partners can pay you the normal way they'd pay anyone else in their country, instead of every payment feeling like an international transfer. And for anyone working across different markets, that can make the whole process feel more natural. The payment does not have to feel complicated just because it is coming from another country. Then we have the multi-currency wallet. This is where you can hold balances in more than 20 currencies. So if you receive dollars, euros, pounds, or other supported currencies, you don't have to convert everything immediately. You can keep different currencies in one place and decide what to do with them later. My friends, the useful part here is flexibility. You can hold the balance, use it later for expenses in the same currency, or convert at interbank rates when it makes more sense. This gives you more control over timing, instead of automatically losing value through unnecessary conversions. It also makes the dashboard easier to understand, because you can see different balances clearly, instead of trying to track them across separate tools. Next, Airwallex helps with global transfers. If you need to send money internationally, the platform can use local payment rails in 120+ countries to move money instantly or within the same day, which can make transfers faster and more cost-effective than relying on slow, expensive SWIFT transfers. And when you're collecting money, you can offer 160+ local payment methods across 180+ countries, so customers pay you the way they'd pay any local business. This is especially useful when payments are not just occasional, but part of your regular workflow. Folks, this is where the platform starts to feel practical. It's not just about storing money in different currencies. It's about moving it, using it, and keeping the workflow cleaner. If you need to send money across borders, having transfers inside the same platform can remove a lot of small friction points. You don't have to constantly jump between different systems just to understand where money is and where it needs to go next. Then we have cards and spend management. Inside the platform there is a separate spend section, where different expense-related tools are grouped together. Everything you need to track is visible right there in one place, from cards and expenses to vendors and requests. So it is not only about issuing a corporate card. The platform also gives teams one place to manage the full cycle, from invoices and reimbursement claims to vendor payments and purchase approvals. This section is useful because spending usually becomes messy very quickly. One person uses a card for software, another submits a receipt, someone else sends an invoice, and then the finance team has to connect all those pieces later. Here, these workflows are grouped in one area, so it becomes easier to understand what is happening with company spend. Mates, the bigger value here is visibility. Finance teams can track what is being spent, which bills need attention, and how different expenses connect to company policy. That can reduce the usual back and forth around receipts, approvals, and reimbursements. And from a practical point of view, this can also make the month-end process less painful. If the main spending process already lives in one workspace, it becomes easier to follow every request, approval, and payment without losing context. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now let's talk about security. Inside the account, there's a dedicated security section where you can manage two-factor authentication settings. For example, teams can require 2FA specifically for creating transfers on top of the 2FA already required for logging in, adding another layer of protection around money movement. And the best part is, Airwallex has built-in AI that takes a lot of the manual finance admin off your plate. Need to open an account, set up a payment, or figure out where something lives on the platform? The AI assistant can actually build out the workflow and configuration for you. You just review it and hit confirm. Then there's the expense policy agent. It automatically checks every reimbursement claim and receipt against your policy, flags duplicates or issues before they become a problem, and keeps spend compliant without holding up approvals. And when it comes to spend management, Airwallex's AI matches receipts to transactions automatically, which makes month-end close a lot faster. Now let's quickly touch on fees. In the US, Airwallex is free to use, with the option to upgrade to a paid plan as needs grow, but payment terms and available features can vary by country or region, so it is worth checking the details for your market before setting everything up. Unlike legacy banks, there are no account opening fees, monthly maintenance charges, or minimum transaction requirements. Folks, the main thing I noticed with Airwallex is that it tries to make global finance feel less scattered. Instead of managing different parts of finance across separate tools, the platform brings the workflow into one place and makes it easier to see what is happening. And that matters because finance can get confusing fast when international payments and internal spending are not managed in one place. The platform helps bring those pieces closer together, so it becomes easier to understand what is coming in, what is going out, and what still needs attention. Mates, I also like that it goes beyond basic payments. The AI assistant, expense policy checks, and billing integrations make the platform feel more complete, along with spend management and accounting. It is not just about sending or receiving money. It is also about reducing manual finance work around those payments. Of course, you still need to check availability, pricing, and supported currencies, plus any regional terms that apply to your setup. But if you want a cleaner way to manage money across currencies and markets, Airwallex is worth checking out. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.